Friends, welcome to the stock market free strategies. So we will discuss new intraday option buying strategy for Bank Nifty based on volume and price action. Earlier we have discussed the Nifty buying options. Now we are discussing today for a Bank Nifty buying options. Disclaimer: this is only for education purpose and trade as per your risk and consult your financial advisor. So now I am moving to the directly to the chart of Bank Nifty. So this is the day chart of Bank Nifty. So we have a same setup just like a Nifty. We have a Bank Nifty 5-minute chart and we have added a volume candle here. So this is our setup basically. Just like a Nifty, we have a setup of Bank Nifty. So what is this is a 21st January 2022. So in this view again we will see when to enter and when there will be a reversal. So we have seen that market is opening at a with big volume here. So next candle we have seen volume is reducing. So there are more chances it will reverse from there. But we will see the next candle again. So we will see here again volume is reducing. So after that we have seen here volume is changed to the green candle, means buyings are starting. So at what time we will enter? We will enter when it is going to the this level, it is crossing this level. So my entry at this point, and I am checking volume candle next. I have seen that next volume candle is again same and equal. So there are more chances it will continue or it may reverse. So I have a SL at this level below 30-40 points. So next I have seen volume is decreasing but price is increasing. So I have taken a trade at this point. I will take and I will come. You see here from 37,000 you see price everywhere here. So if we enter here 37,400, it move up to 37,432, only 20-30 points. Then it again come to the lower level and it moved up. So whenever you are taking a trade, your stop loss should be 30, 40, 50 points below that, because Bank Nifty is a fluctuating. So it move 50 to 100 point in one shot every side. So our target is 100 point, 50 to 100 point movement of Bank Nifty. So we have seen again volume is decreasing and price is increasing. So I know there is a more chances it will reverse. So entry at this point and exit at this point, it's around 70 point of Bank Nifty movement. After that I seen next candle, means my target is next candle if it is going to become red. So I will exit whenever volume is moving, because that is the only position where trend is going to change. So we see here, we will capture here 40-50 points in Bank Nifty very easily. So after that this volume is increased, but I need a next volume candle should be increased. But you see here it is totally reverse here. So our SL means our exit is at this point basically. So after that this is now the market is moving downward. So as I said earlier, we make now this as a support point or resistance point basically. So we mark a 5-minute trend at this point basically. So now market is moving down, but you see here market is moving down, but volume of bears are not increasing. So it is decreasing. So that's why one red candle, then one green candle, then again one red candle. I thought it will go down and it will going to go up to this level, but we see here next entry we not able to get because we are not getting a 2 volume candle together. So then there are more chances it will going to break or it will going to sustain. So this is our now support and resistance point here. So when it is going down, I've seen there is one volume candle and next volume candle is also increasing and it is good point of entry, but it has to close below this and next candle should continue below this. But we see in here it reverse. So this means at this point there is a more supply here. So if there is again next candle should be volume candle should be more than this, I will take a buying. But this candle is again the same, so it is not giving me a cushion to buy here because I need a momentum. And this point is either it is going to break or take support. I am not clear about that. So now for upside, for downside, if it is going with the big volume here, I will take the position for downside. And for upside, if it is going to break this level with a big volume, I will take a upside movement. So I am looking for only one or two entries. I have not to enter at all the volume candles. So market come down to this level, it reversing here, again it is coming down. Now it come to this level, basically this zone. You see at this point, you see the volume candle of this candle is very big. So means they are breaking this with a very big volume. So what will be my entry? If next candle is again volume candle, it will be green, so I will take a buying entry. But you see here it is a red candle, so I have not taken any entry here. Even though it is breaking with a big volume, there are more chances it will come down. You see here it will come down. Then next candle is again green candle, it is trying to move up, and next candle I am looking for a more volume candle. Again it is breaking this, but this is a now resistance level, because first 5 minutes at opening point, this you see here, this is again a resistance level. So once it will cross this level, then only I will going to buy. Otherwise this is again my reversal point. You see here next candle is again red candle. So this is giving a indecisive entry and exit. I have not entered at these points. Mainly I am looking for a when market moved 200 point in Bank Nifty, then there are more chances of reversal. And in reversal we will get a very good entry, or at a breakout we will get a very good entry. And we need a two continuous volume candles. Like here earlier it tried to break it, but here again it moved with very big volume. And what is our entry? If next candle should be green, then we will take an entry. Otherwise there is a more chances it will reverse, and only in next candle it will reverse here. You see here, so means this is acting still as a resistance point. So and next candle again red candle, it broken with a very big volume. Then if next candle is red, then I will sell the call of 37,700, because I am not sure it will go further down or go up, but I will sell the call, because if it will stay here and going down only, and I will get a premium erosion. You see here again next candle again green, again red, so it is a indecisive. If you are selling a call and market stay at this point for around 5 minute candle, 30 minutes, we get a premium erosion. So our stop loss are not hit and we get a premium erosion. And now again market is try to move breakout for this level again. You see here there is no volume, means there are more chances it will reverse. So at this point it go down, and we found there is a continuation of big volume from this 210 big volume to next volume candle is 215. So I will try to take a entry at this point. And what is my support and resistance level? From this level 37,600 to it will maximum target is 37,540, because I am expecting this much 100 point move, because this is a now support resistance point. You see here it come down, even it broken, but it again come back. So this is, you see here, it is acting as a support resistance. So here we are not going to look for a bigger target, and during these times only we getting a stop loss hit. So market again came down. Again you see here, again it tried. This is a big volume candle. Now this is acting as a resistance, and next this is a big volume candle. So I'm expecting now it will going to touch up to go to this level. So what I'm doing here, even it may go up also. If next candle is red, we have seen a next candle is again red, means they are trying to push the market down only. So we have taken an entry at this point 37,400, and it touch up to 37,300. So there is a good way, but you see here we are here only we are targeting less points. So 30-40 points with a 1,000-2,000 quantity, we are getting a good profit. So again at this point market reversed with a big volume and breaking this level, taking a support again and reverse from this level. So we are not going to take entry. Even I have not taken entry at this point because I am not expecting this much big reversal. It will first, you see, from this level it touched to this level, and after that it taking a support here and move to the next level. So this is a basically criteria to check the volume candle. One volume candle, second volume candle. If it is second volume candle is giving a breakout, there are more chances it will go up. But here again third candle it is showing a red, but it is a support. Once it is reversing from support level, then there are more chances it will going to touch to next level. Like here it is breaking this level, it is going to touch next level. This is the only criteria in Bank Nifty, same like a Nifty. So now we will check the one other days also how it is behaving. So I am deleting all these because this is not required. So we will now move to the 20th January. So this is the 20th January. So for 20th January we always mark the some support resistance point of previous day. So you see here this is a basically support point of the previous day, and here also they have kept very long time. This is a one point I found, because one time, two time, three time it already crossed. So I have taken this also a one support and resistance point. So now we move to the 20th. So this is a 19, it's a, so from here it will start. So this is a 9:15 candle. You see here 9:15 candle, this is a top basically of previous day close. This is also a one support resistance point. So this is a 9:15 candle. This is 9:15 candle. Okay. So it start with a big volume, but you see here volume next candle volume is reduced. So there are more chances it will reverse. I will zoom it out first. So there are more chances it will reverse, but up to what level it going to reverse? This is my resistance level, this is my support level. So I am not going to trade at this point, even though you see here this is a top level is a 38,250 and support at this point is 38, only 200 point. So in 200 point we need a 100 point fast movement, and market is at a center of this. So either it will go up to this level, it will reverse or break out, either it will go to downside and it will reverse. So there is no chance to take a position. So I have not taken any position at this level. So mine is If it is touching and breaking this level, then only I will buy the put. Otherwise I am selling the positions here, selling the both side, call of above this side, put up above below this side. So this is a very support and resistance point things. So I am not getting any good detail, even though I am not getting two big volume candles continuous together. Like here, one, it is taking a resistance at this point, volume is increasing, 1 2 second candle volume is increasing, and even third candle volume is increasing. So we will get an entry at this point by selling the calls, not buying the put. So it, from this level it come to 200 point down even. So we get a premium erosion of call. So I am looking for, it will go with the breakout of this with the big volume, but it is not broken. So there is no entry of buying for me basically. So it is again going down, but you see volume is not there. Even it is not crossing the previous day, previous volume candles. So I have not taken any trade in these points. So now this is also one support resistance point, because most of the time it is pending here. We have seen it is again taking a breakout at this level with a big volume, and but next candle only volume is reduced. I will take an entry at this point, but I didn't find any good view here. So now again we are checking here, it is going down, it is going down here, the volume candle is increased. So now I will take a next, if it is a again red candle and volume candle is going to help me in this. So you see here it is again red candle, but volume is decreasing. So mine is should I buy put, or most of the time I will sell call in these cases. So it will move down, then this is giving me a good chance, volume is increasing. But you see here, if I taken a position here, it is touching my positions, and but next 2-3 volume candle is giving me a very good profit. So you see here volume candle is increasing here. If anyone enter at this second volume candle also, it is giving a good breakout. So you see here, if anyone enter in these candles, more than 200 point you are getting. 37,950, here it is a 950 to what level you got with the volume candle, it went up to more than 200 points. So this is one trade is more than enough with a big quantity to get a good profit. So you see here it is also working here. So now we move to the 19th. So I am now removing these support resistance. Now we are checking with the 19th. So for 19th we have to check a 18th support resistance. Market has spent more time here, so this may be a good support resistance point of a previous day. It is not a high low, we have to check only high low. We have to check at what place market spend a more time. So means here people have taken a lot of positions, and both call and put people thinking it will go up, it will go down. So they have taken a lot of position at this level. So if any volume candle giving a good breakout at this level, there are more chances it will go in that direction. So we have seen now it's a 19th. Okay, so 19th, so it is a 915 candle. We have seen here it go down, the big volume candle, but next candle it's a green candle and it is giving a reversal. So I have taken a second candle entry and I got a more than 100 point. But in next candle only I come out, because I have seen it is going back. So at here, if I not come out, my stop loss was hit. But my entry at this point, so my stop loss is also at, if I already come out, because my target is only 30-40 point in Bank Nifty. So 38,123 to it went up to 38,213. So it's more than 100 points. So I need only 40-50 points. So 40-50 point premium increase in ATM position immediately. So you see here, now it is acting as a support resistance point. So we have to mark this level as a support resistance point. Okay. So now market is again came here. Market is going down, but volume is not increasing. And again it is become a green candle. So we are not getting any entry here. So now I am checking for the basically for the reversal. Market is going up, one candle up, then red candle, then up, then red candle, then up, then this is a big volume candle. You see here. So I thought if it is going to break this with a big volume, then I will take a upside, and otherwise I will sell the call of this position, or I will buy a put at this point. You see here, only in the next candle it come down. So this is giving me a more surety that no, it is very good as a support resistance point. After that, you see, I'm basically in these cases now, most of the time I'm even selling the calls also. So you see market is spending 20 minutes here and lot of premium is eroded immediately. After that, here now it is going down, so I have no use to view here. Even market is going down, but volume is not increasing. So this is not giving me a good cushion to buy. Here you see big volume candle. I am looking for a trade at downside, but here I am finding a support, so I am not going to take a trade. Once it has to break, then only I will take a trade. But you see it again reverse. So I am not. This is giving me a cushion. My stop loss was not going to hit. Market is again moved up, then again moving down, but volume is not increasing. Here you see, this is a volume candle, then it is again trying to break, but my entry is when it is going to break with the big volume here. Once you see it is a big volume here, so what I am doing, I am taking a position with the stop loss. I know if it will going to this act as a resistance, but if it is breaking, then my stop loss is going to hit. I have taken the position and got a good reward. Even volume is decreasing, but all the candles are red only. There is no green candle. There is no chance of reversal. Only here there is a chance of reversal. I come out immediately. So from this level 38,000 to it move up to 37,878. I am not capturing whole point. I am capturing my market moved 200 points, 120 points, but I am capturing 40-50 points immediately here. Sometime it will giving a big reward also. I am looking for that. You see from here it come to this level again. So it is acting as a resistance again. So now my again entry is if it is this level is going with the big volume candle upside, or now this is a below side my trade levels. So every time we have to mark support and resistance point where market is spending. You see here market is going up, then it is going with the big volume here, but next candle should be a red, so I will buy the put here. But you see here it is reverse from here. So now this is our level here, because market one time and two times spending a time here, and this is also one level. So if market is going to break this level above, then only I will going to buy the call. Otherwise there are more chances it will reverse also from this level. So I am waiting for the volume candle. Market go down, then moving up, it is taking a resistance here, then it moving down, then it with the big volume candle it is moving this level, but next candle it is breaking both this support, this resistance and this resistance. So my entry is if next volume will be a green, I will take a buy position. I have taken a buy position. You see this is a big volume candle. After that it is again supporting big volume candle. So after that it is red candle. So I come out immediately. So from this level 38,661 to how much we will get? 38,200 means more than 140 point in Bank Nifty, means 40-50 point easily in options. Even we get a, during this momentum premium is increasing very fast in call. So this is a good way. We are getting a 2-3 trades, it more than enough for the day. We have not to trade on every volume candle. We have to enter here, then again enter here. There is very less chances of stop loss hit in this case. So now we're moving to the another one day before, to the 18th now.